Okay, so these are the additional questions that some of you have done. Okay, so I'm going to go through them, and if you have done it, please do your correction. Okay, but I'm quite happy that you actually did the additional questions, whether you meant to or not. Okay, so the volume of acid in a bureta is 250 cm cube. Every minute 20 cm cube of the acid drip out from the bureta. Find the volume of acid after 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, so let's put down here A, volume of acid, okay, after 7 minutes. Okay, so it's 250 cm cube minus 7 times 20 cm cube, because every minute 20 cm cube leaks out. So 250 cm cube minus 140 cm cube, you get 110 cm cube. Okay, part 2, T minutes in terms of T. So how many what's the volume of acid after T minutes? Volume of acid after T minutes, okay, equals to 250 cm cube minus 20 times T, right, cm cube. So you get 250 minus 20T. This is actually your answer, right? Okay, because we don't know the value of T, but we know that the formula is 20 times T, then you take 250 minus that amount. Okay, so part B, find the time taken when 80 cm cube of acid are left. Okay, we want to find the time taken. So we get 250, right, minus 80 cm cube. Then we divide by 20, right? Okay, so we minus off what was left to find out how much have leaked out. And this will be 170 cm cube divided by 20 cm cube. Okay, so we get 8.5 okay minutes, right? Because by right this is per minute, right? Okay, so we divide by 20 cm cube per minute, okay, and we will get 8.5, right? Then if the bureta is empty, okay, so I'm going to write it here because there's not enough space. So time taken, (250 cm cube divided by 20 cm cube). Okay, so it's 2.5 minutes. Okay, so this is for part B when it's empty, right? Okay, question 9. Okay, so Amy has X skirt, Betty has twice as many skirts. So Amy X skirts, right? So Betty 2X. Carol has 7 more than Betty, so Carol should be 2X plus 7. Express the number of skirts that Carol has in terms of X. So Carol has 2X plus 7 skirts. Okay. Now part B, if Amy has 18 skirts fewer than Carol, find the total number of skirts that Amy, Bethel, and Carol has. Okay, so we know that 2X plus 7, which is the number of skirts Carol has, minus Amy, which is X, equals to 18, because Amy has 18 skirts fewer, right? So we will get X plus 7 equals to 18. Okay, then we can go back to our equation. right? So we minus 7 so that we can get the 0 here, and we minus 7 over here. So we get x equals to 18 minus 7, which is 11, right? So we know the value of x is actually 11. Okay, so we know that Amy has 11 skirts. You can do a mental calculation, right? So Amy has 11 skirts. Okay. Betty, okay, sorry. Betty has double, right? So Betty has 22 skirts. And Carol has 22 plus 7. So 22 plus 7 is 29, 29 skirts. Okay, quite simple, these two questions. Okay, let's move on.